All right, what's on the bench? We're going to do some painting. I went to the, I have a train shop, a toy train shop next to me. And the train shop, it's great if you want model airplane and trains and stuff, mostly trains. But they have other models and stuff there too. But yeah, I bought some engine black paint. And why did I buy paint? And what am I doing with this? So I have been careless, and it's been pointed out to me in the comments, please keep me honest, that when you're measuring the temperature of things, you can use your thermal camera, and your thermal camera will tell you how hot things are getting. So like, keep this all on camera here, like this 3-volt regulator over here is getting toasty. He's getting about 66 degrees C, so he's toasty. Now, he's a nice black color, and there's something called emissivity. And the emissivity is the property, the measurement of how well something emits heat. If it has heat, how can it give it up? And things that are aluminum aren't as good unless they're like anodized aluminum. They're like a black anodized aluminum. I think even clear anodizing, the emissivity goes way up. So when I measure the temperature of this oven, it's a 10 megahertz crystal oven. It's measuring about 31 degrees. And I can put my finger on it, and it feels hotter than that, okay? So I also bought some one-time brushes. These are really cool. I've never seen these before, but the lady talked me into them. Genuine micro brush. Can you see that? Genuine micro brush. Yeah, little bitty brushes that I can just throw away instead of having to clean brushes and stuff. So let's get one out. Oh man, these are going to be perfect. Yeah, I really like these. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take locomotive black, engine black, and we're going to paint. We're going to paint our piece of metal here. All right. So we'll just go over here and we'll make half of it black. Okay. We'll paint half of it black. Get rid of the air bubbles. All right, and I can just throw that paintbrush away. Look at that, poof, gone. I'm assuming this is flat black since it's engine black, but it doesn't say flat. So we're going to let it dry, but let's see what it does already. We have let's see here, where it's painted, it's measuring 48 C, and where it's not painted, it's 32 C, right? So it's almost 20 degrees difference in the temperature, okay, between the non-painted and the painted on the camera here. Let me back out a little bit here, but yeah. So on the picture here, there we go. On the picture, get everything a camera. Hard to do with two cameras at the same time. There we go. So this right here is the top half of it, and it's dark, but this is the bottom half of it, and it is very bright. And so let's, oops, let me focus on this. Focused a little bit too close. Yeah, there we go. We're focused good now. So on the non-painted side, it's 32, 33, and on the other side it's 49. So yeah, the emissivity of black paint should be, you know, between 90 and 100%, and the emissivity of the shiny can, we can look that up. I think it's going to be around 20 to 50%. But I have a big list of emissivities. You can go online and get stuff here. Let's see here. Anything that's just called metal? No. Let's go for steel. I think that's steel. Stainless steel, polished, Steel type buffed. Yeah, stainless steel oxidized polished. I'm going to say it's around 20%. This is only giving up 20% of its internal heat, whereas this over here, starting to dry. This over here is going to be giving up around 95% of its heat. So let's go back and measure things. It's not changing much while it's drying. The dry sections and the wet sections are measuring about the same. So yeah, so I should be more careful spouting numbers when I'm doing things like this. So thanks for pointing me out, keeping me honest and stuff. Most of the time you're measuring these black packages. So this black plastic is very, very good. It's 92, 95% reflective. And so you're going to be measuring something really, really good off of that. Like I say, that regulator's getting up around 62 C. That one's 62. And I thought this was only 32, but now we know it's actually 50. Now it's measuring 50. So it's 30 and 50. So that's a really, really big difference. So yeah, go get yourself some paint. And I asked if I could get a little jar with a built-in, like a nail polish, right? It has a built-in brush, but they didn't have anything like that. So I just got these disposable brushes, which will keep me in business for quite a while. So anyway, there you go. Yes, indeed. Make sure your emissivity is correct. And I encourage you to go get a list of emissivity and start taking a look at things, you know, like black asphalt is 93%. So that's really, really good. But polished brass is only 5%. Really bad. So polished brass is terrible. But if you oxidize your brass, you can get it up to 65. Or you can do blackening, right? Soot. Does it have soot? I don't know if it has soot. This is a really nice list. I don't know where I got it. Soot. Yeah, there we go. Candle soot. All right, so if you blackened your thing with candle soot, it's 95% emissivity. So yeah, really, really good. And it's also a reason why you see heat sinks anodized black, because a bare silver, not silver in color, heat sink doesn't do as well as something that's been anodized. It will emit its heat much, much better. Even the red ones.